Guess the correct answer in the comments and get a chance to win 10,000 rupees. Part 9. Ladies and gentlemen, we give you OD fish. Yahoo! Look at that. These are my children. Oh, my children. Please don't do this to me. Ah, my goodness. You are eating my feet also. Have this, have this. This is my wedding treat. I've not treated the fish since I got married 5 years ago. Sometimes I eat you and sometimes you eat me. But don't eat my feet, okay? My God. Look at this. We are here in one of the locations here in Garo Hills with these friends, small little friends which you cannot take home. Unfortunately, look at this. Have some more, have some more. Honey, this is good, man. I feel like a Santa Claus during Christmas, man, and the kids coming to me for the sweet. Honey, cow, bacha, cow. Don't bite me, don't bite me, don't bite me. Hey, don't bite me. You, dirty fellow. Wahajao. If you haven't got the answer right, now is the time for you where you can guess all the places that I've been, all the places that I'm going to, and the purpose why I'm here. You will get a chance to win 10,000 bucks. Huh? Jai Kishan? Oh, this is Jardisil Fish Sanctuary here in South Garo Hills. Oh, lovely. Follow for part 10, ladies and gentlemen. Ay. Yaha mein aao yaar, yaha mein aao. Shadi hai, shadi.